A daring daylight robbery has sparked panic in the capital's Ramnagar area after two miscreants posing as customers snatched a gold chain from a shop owner on Sunday afternoon. The robbery occurred at Ramnagar Road No. 6 second crossing. According to local reports, two men arrived on a motorcycle and entered the shop under the guise of buying goods. While the owner was distracted by the queries, one of the men suddenly lunged forward and snatched the gold chain from his neck. Before the victim or nearby residents could react, the duo sprinted out of the shop, mounted their waiting motorcycle, and sped away from the scene. Look at this video footage of daylight robbery. Your report, Chini Khorang.